is happening with you guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Fresh Sabatos coming at you live from the M340. Where's your Tomei, sir? Oh, my boy, he trying to gas on me. Hold up. My boy trying to run off on the plug. He's out of here. Oh, this is lovely to see no traffic. Lovely. But yeah, man, I hope you guys are all doing well. I finally got a little bit of sleep. Enough blabbing. I need to actually save my battery because I only have one battery today. I left the other one at the warehouse. So yeah, what we got going on today, something a little bit different. We're gonna be going to some sand drags. My boy Frosty was like, yo, let's roll. So I was like, why not? Your boy's gonna be passenger princess today. But it should be cool, man. It should be dope. Strap your seatbelts in and we gonna continue this journey in a few. She looking firme, fool. My boy on his peasy shit. Just a clean, bro. I actually do like the wide body Chargers. It's just a big ass car. Black looks so clean, you know? When it's taken care of.
When I pull into my house.
Stock boys. Well, as you guys can see, there's been a change of plans. What happened? ¿Qué quieres, Frosty?
Turbo Ray. We're here for you, man.
My boy brought the trailer out. Sick ass. That manifold though. That's hard, I ain't gonna lie. The tie bolts? That's sick. Man, that shit's on race gas. That ain't 85. That shit smell like a nitro car. My man's came to play. That carbon though. Full interior, boys, too. Look at that. Clean. Boy got the S2K tack. Rear seats. Still can take the fan bam out. This is dope. Yeah. The AP1. I think they're letting people starting to line up now, so we'll go over to the track in a minute. This is my guy's first time here at the track, so first time ever launching it on a track, so. Jeez. Look at my guy's intake. My boy's about to play some peso pluma out of that thing. Okay, okay. Got a clean S2K over here. Let me get them calipers, my G. Yeah, that thing's clean too. The paint is wet. Damn, this is hella clean on the T's. Very nice. Hey, fucker, where you at? It's the homie right here. Damn, these are ESRs? They stepping the game up. No wonder Varstone went out of business. Oh, yellow hatch. It's a real Pikachu right there. Clean little tag. Yo, check out the Type R. His wheels look pretty good on it. What's good, man? The VMS wheels. Looks pretty clean. Alright, we got some runs finally. Hawaii car? Any of my Hawaii followers recognize this? Alright guys, we're gonna send it again. Second launch of the day. We got the official vendor pass, so get all up into action. So we got about 6 pounds in this tire. It looks kind of normal, right? Check out this tire right here. God damn, bro. That's crazy. Damn, that shit ran a 5.6. Whew. What do you guys think? S3? Hatch? I don't know. Oh, he's spinning the whole way. Oh, man, we got a TL? That's just a low-key sound like a GTR. Boy, he brought the J32 out. Oh, the top end wasn't enough. CRX for the dub. Look at this. Ran a 7.0. Oh, this is gonna be good. I can hear that clutch. I like the wheels though. Left lane, 7.5. Got him. Shit was loud. Okay, RS3 and Subi should be good. The RS3 is modded though, he's out of here. I'm gonna take right lane. He got a big ass intercooler though. I ain't gonna lie. Neither of these guys need to do a burnout. It's so quiet. Hope you guys are enjoying this view. Slept too. Right lane. Okay, B58 gang. I don't know, bruh. I think the Civic might give him the gappies. My boy got the R888s popping though. I should come here more often and do this shit. It's funny. He's telling them to turn the boost down. He's like, I know what you got in here, sir. Damn. All right, sir. I owe you $1. All right, man. Oh, I got a tablet? What's going on over there? All right, guys. We are going to be out of here. What is up, guys? We are back here at the Shoe Palace. My battery died, and like I mentioned, I have my other battery here. And this one's gonna die too, so that was the day, man. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Definitely something a little bit different. It was super unexpected. I had no idea I was going there. It was like super last minute. We were kind of just debating like, should we go to the sand drags or should we just go to this because the homie's there? They were like two completely opposite directions, so we were like, F it, let's just go here. But yeah, this battery is about to die, guys, so appreciate you guys for tuning in to another video, man. Be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys in the next one.